Hi friends, today I am discussing about the transfer learning model, object transfer learning model of object classification deployment using Gradio app. So I take inception model. So what is Gradio? Gradio is an open source library. It is a free library and it is a new library and it provides you UI for ML model deployments. It takes less time for the deployment of machine learning model or deep learning model, and it really helpful. So in this video, I will tell how to deploy a model into Gradio. First, you need to install Gradio, and these are the necessary libraries. And this is URL dot request library for directly downloading images from browsers. And these are the labels. I am getting labels from this website, and I am downloading 4 images. I am taking Transception V3 model. I am importing this model from Keras applications, and we need to give image to this model. So I am importing PIL library. I am converting this to RGB and array format. I am resizing to 299, 299. After reshaping to this for model working, and after this is a prediction and this is the label printing, and this is the training of the model. And come to deployment, this is the deployment snippet. We are uploading an image. We need to upload an image. So for uploading an image, we need to write code like this: gr.gradio.inputs.image, and outputs will be labels. So we need to write like this: gr.outputs.label, and we need to give sample images for uploading purposes. I give 4 sample images, and this is the interface. So gr.interface, our model, inception model, input image, label. If you want title, you can write title, description. The examples, which examples you take sample images. If you don't give examples, don't give. Like if you give examples after this below this UI, some images will be shown. Then we can drag and drop that images. After you need to launch. Then if you run this core snippet, then one URL will be open, or you can open this URL, or it will be the UI coming inline only. See, this will be like that. This will be like that. You can edit also. You can rotate, crop and rotate, rotate. We can redo, undo. This is very useful and very advantageous for learning purposes of deployment. It is very useful. These are the sample images. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Please subscribe my channel and help me.